If you're an Amazon seller, then you might have heard that some of the Amazon sellers get really successful on Amazon, but some don't. So basically the main reason behind their success and their failure is research. That is 100% truth. Because the seller who got failed don't do the research properly, like about the product, like the demand, competition, selling price, and the competitor's sales. Because as you guys already know that this is the era of technology and AI, and there are multiple tools available in market from which you can do the research and everything is transparent to you. Like not like the old traditional way of selling where we cannot check anything from your competitor, but nowadays on Amazon, we can easily check like from which keyword your competitor are getting sales, on how many keywords they are ranked, at how much price they are selling, and how many monthly sales they are getting, and what is the Amazon fee they are paying to Amazon. So if you do a little research and make a chart on Excel, so you will be able to know completely about your Amazon competitor, like what is the secret of their success, and if you follow those secrets as well and do your market research properly, then you will be able to know the complete calculation about your product, like how it will perform better, so you can know the strategy and implement those and make your product successful. So in this video, I'm going to share with you an amazing tool with the help of which you can actually determine the demand of your product, the competition of your product, and the sales of your product. Because if you do so, then you will be completely able to calculate that if you launch that product, either it will become successful or not. So without any further delay, let's start the video. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you are not able to make money online yet, that means you are just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened two websites. Number one is Helium10 and number two is Amazon.com. So basically, if you don't know what Helium10 is, it's basically a research tool that is a must-have tool for all of the Amazon seller, because if you're investing a lot of money in your Amazon business, like in purchasing your product, shipping your product, and marketing your product, then if you invest a fraction of that money into these kind of tools, then they can actually make your life a lot more easier, save your time, and increase your chances of success. Right? And if you're a follower of my channel, then you can actually get a creator bonus from me, and if you sign up for this tool, you can actually get up to 35% discount if you use my coupon code. So all of that details you can find in the description of this video. So when you go on Helium10 website and sign up there, so you will be able to see this dashboard, and on the top you can see there's a toolbar. So when I click on that, so here you can see that there are multiple tools available inside this Helium10, and all of these tools are basically to help you in growing your Amazon business. There are multiple tabs like product research, listing optimization, analytics, operation, and learning and keyword research. And inside these tabs, there are multiple tools available like Black Box, Trendster, and if we check listing optimization, we can see here Scribble, Index Checker, Listing Analyzer, and Listing Builder with AI. So if you want to learn in detail about all of these tools in detail step by step, then you can watch my other videos in the same playlist where I have created a dedicated video on each of these tools, right? But for this video, the tool I'm going to explain and show you is Magnet. You can see that if I go under section of keyword research, so the second tool is called Magnet. So if I click on Magnet, so here you can see that this tool is open, and this tool says that find high volume search terms that are relevant to your entered keyword. So basically, if you know like who are your target audience on Amazon, and if they want to purchase your product, so what are the keywords and the terms they're basically searching on Amazon search engine. Because as you guys already know that Amazon is a search engine just like Google, and people go there and search for the product they want. So basically, if you get the grip on the keyword research, like how many keywords are there on Amazon which people are searching, which are relevant to your product, what are the demand of those keywords, what are the competition of those keywords, and what is the Magnet IQ score, what is the search volume. So if you know about all of those details for those keywords, then you can actually beat your competition and rank your product even higher than your competitor on Amazon search page, so you can get more traffic and more sales, right? So for example, if I go on Amazon website and search for any product I want, just like cat litter box, so after searching for that product and after selecting a main competitor, for example this one, which you can see that having more than 10,000 sales in last month and having 33k reviews, so if I open that listing and consider it as my main competitor, so I have to pick a main keyword from their title. You can see that their title say large cat litter box with scatter, shield, and scoop. So basically, cat litter box is the main keyword, and then with the help of this keyword, we can just play around with it and can find out more than 100 keywords, right? So you don't have to do it manually. All you have to do is you have to go on your competitor listing and copy and pick the main keyword from their title, and then you have to go back on Magnet just like that and paste your main keyword here. So after pasting that keyword, you have to make sure that your selected market is correct, and then after selecting the market, putting the keyword, all you have to do is click on this get keywords button. So basically as soon as you click, you can see that it is fetching data. So it will fetch all of the data, all of the keywords that are relevant to that keyword, which people are usually searching on Amazon search engine, right? So you can see that our search has been completed, and if I scroll down, so I can see there are more than 4,000 keywords it has extracted from me, right? But as you know that 4,000 keywords are a lot, and out of those 4,000, there should be many of the keywords which are of no use and irrelevant to my product. So now after searching for those keywords, we have to put some filters, and then we have to narrow down this search so we can get only those keywords which are super relevant to our product and which can give benefit to me. So here you can see that if I go up and put some values in these filters, just like search volume, like minimum search volume I want for those keywords must be at least 100. So I can put that here, and then if I just check out some other things, like the word count should be 2, like not 1, because if we get a keyword consists of only one word, so that will not be a good keyword, or that might be too much competitive, right? So after putting the 2 in the word count, the match type I can select organic, because I want those keywords on which my competitors are ranking organically, right? So I have made only 3 changes here, but you can make multiple changes as you want to narrow down your searches, right? So after putting these, if I click on apply filter, so you can see that out of 4,000, now I have got only 1,500 keywords, right? So you have to keep putting some filters and keep narrowing down this search until you will get 200 or maybe 300 golden keywords, right? So after getting all of those keywords and putting the filter, you have to go through this list manually, and then you have to select and you have to deselect all of those keywords which you think that are not relevant to your product, right? And just like that, if you go up, now I'm going to show you another advantage of this Magnet IQ tool. The main keyword or search term I searched was cat litter box. So if I zoom in, so you can see there that the search volume for this alone keyword cat litter box is 154,000, and the Magnet IQ score is more than 17,000. So basically the main reason to make this video is to explain you this Magnet IQ score. So basically this is a number which is the ratio between like what is the search volume of that keyword, like how many people are searching for that keyword on Amazon website, and the number of competitors ranking on that keyword, right? So if you make a ratio of demand and competition, then we will get the Magnet IQ score. So if this number is high, that means the demand is very high and the competition is low or medium. So if this number is high, that means that keyword is good for you. But if that number is low, that means that keyword is not good, right? So here you can see that for this keyword, we can get the search volume, we can get the Magnet IQ score, we can get the CPR, and on the right side, you can see that the keyword distribution, like total more than 4,000 keywords we are having, and out of those 1,600 are organic. That means many of the competitors, like more than 1,600, are basically ranking organically on those keywords, right? So this for the search volume and this for the Magnet IQ score for this keyword. And if you want to know these things for the other keywords, then you have to scroll down, and from these columns you can do that. You can see that this is the keyword litter box, and if I scroll down, you can see stainless steel litter box and self-cleaning litter box. So if I check this keyword on the right side, you can see that the average sales this keyword is getting are 600, and if I scroll further right, you can see the search volume for that keyword is 63,000. And if I click on this graph button, so you can see that I can see the search volume graph for this keyword for the past year. Throughout the year, the search volume for this keyword is between 50,000 and 100,000. But in the month of August last year, the search volume went high, more than 300,000. So just like that, if you close this, so you can see the search volume for all of those keywords. You can see the search volume trend. You can see the sponsored ASIN, keyword sales, and every detail about those keywords, right? This is the column for competing product. So from here, we can actually see that how many competitors are there that are actually targeting this particular keyword in their listing, right? So with the help of this Magnet AI tool, if you put the main keyword of your product and put some filter and play around with it, then you will be able to find a lot of keyword, a lot of good keyword which are super relevant to your product, having good monthly searches, good Magnet IQ score, and low competing product. Then you will be able to find the exact keyword for your product, and if you use those keywords in your listing optimization and PPC campaign, then you can actually rank high on Amazon searches. So in the end, you will get more traffic, hence more sales, and make more profit. So I hope after watching this video, you will go on Helium10 and do the same with your product in order to make your product more profitable and successful. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.